Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is another puzzle solving video from Math Hub, and the video is a parking puzzle from Expert Collection, and it's a level 5. I have done this puzzle in 19 moves. Please do your best to see if you can perform it in less than 19 moves. Well, the first thing I would move is this orange looking truck. I will move it to the right. Then I will move down the pink car. After that, I would move right this blue car, and then this this yellow car to the right. After this, we have a purple car on the top left corner, which should come down so that the other two cars, the second and the gray one, can move forward. So we move the purple car to the down left corner. And then we return the blue and the yellow car to their original position, and we move left the two cyan and gray cars. After all, we move the pink car upward to the end. Then we move the dark yellow car to the right so that we can open the way for the black car to move upward. Now we can move the yellow and the blue cars to the right again. This decision would help opening a space for the purple and the blue cars to move up and get out of the truck's way. Now the truck has enough space to move forward, so I move the truck to the down left corner, and the other truck, who is now in front of the yellow car blocking him from going outside of the parking, comes down so we can release the yellow car.